Changing the language in the Google Wallet app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Google Wallet app. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. In the app, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu, then find and select the settings option. Step 3. Find language settings. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you see the language or language and region option. Tap on it to view the available language options. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and select the one you wish to use. The app may prompt you to confirm your choice. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your preferred language, close the app completely and reopen it. This ensures that the language change takes effect throughout the app. Now you can enjoy using the Google Wallet app in your chosen language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app's help section or contact support.